Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of a new product. And this came at a perfect time because I am currently working out and eating really healthy and really trying to lose weight. I even posted a video just recently of different things you can do to work out in your home without any gym equipment. And you know, when you're trying to track your progress, what's the first thing you do, right? You jump on a scale to see if you've lost any weight. Well, my scale seems to be on the fritz because I seem to gain or lose like 3 pounds every other day, so that is not correct. But anyways, the company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a review, and it's this beautiful scale by Eros. So I'm really excited to do an unboxing and review this. First, we're gonna look at the scale itself and how you set it up, and then I'm gonna test it to see how it actually works. So here you can see the packaging. So it does say that it's got a 5-year lifetime warranty, which is awesome. And then on the back, you can see the different body compositions, and there are 13 of them. It also has the QR code down here, so you will need to download the app, but it does work with iOS and Android, which is great. So now let me show you the actual scale, and then we'll walk through how to set it up. So here's the actual scale, and pardon my lights, but it does come with the instruction manual and then batteries, and then it does show right on the front how to calibrate it by stepping on and off the scale. The back of the scale is really nice as well. It has these large feet on it with like a rubber padding, and then you have the QR code again, just in case you throw the box away. All right, so the first thing we need to do is download the app. So you can either download this through your app store, or you can just scan the QR code that's right on the box. All right, so now once we open this up, we're gonna go ahead and register. So you're gonna wanna allow the notifications, also your Bluetooth, and then you're gonna put in all your personal information and set up your account. So now once you get the app all set up, go ahead and put the batteries in the scale before you add it. So we're just gonna hit this little plus sign, and we're gonna do device management. So now mine already has a check mark, but directions do say to step on and off of it, so just make sure that it's paired. So now just to test it, I'm gonna place my hand on here, and it's gonna calibrate it. And now I can do my weight and kind of push on it, and you can see the app is following along as I put weight on the scale. So now I'd really like to do like a live test. So my son's gonna help me out, but first we're gonna add him under the account because you can add multiple people. So I'm just gonna go into add member, and then we're just gonna add a measurement user, and we'll put his name in here. There we go. All right, so now we got him all set up in the app, and we're gonna have him test the scale. So first we're gonna just step on it just to get it to calibrate and get to 0. All right, we'll give it a second. All right, so go ahead and step on it. And there you can see it's matching up on the app to what his weight is. Perfect, go ahead and step off. And then you'll select to save the data. So now this time when he steps on, he's gonna stay on here for a little longer. So there you can see the weight, but now it's gonna do a little bit more information. Ooh.
It's in my body fat percentage.
All right, so now my daughter is gonna test hers out. All right, so give it a second until it stops moving. There you go, so that's your weight. Now stay on and it will show more information. So one thing I really like about this scale that's different from the one I have now is the sound effects. It's actually really fun. So when you're standing on the scale, you know, it goes and it makes like a noise that tells you that everything's been done. Some other things I really like is that it does work with Apple Health and then Google Fit and your Fitbit. It does support up to 400 pounds, and their customer service is based in the US, which is pretty awesome. Some of the other things I really like is that it's color coded. So it does kind of let you know what range you're in. You might be too high, too low, or right in the middle. So that's really helpful. And I do really love how you can click on each individual item and then it explains what it is and what your range is. So there are 2 different ways that you can do your weight. If you don't need all that other information, you just want to know how much you weigh, as soon as you step on it and it flashes, then you're done. If you do stand on it for a little bit longer, it will do the 13 metrics that it does provide. You don't have to physically use the scale to add in information. There is going to be a way for you to manually add that data. You will be able to track your progress. There's going to be a graph in there. You can see specific times as to when you weighed yourself. So if you are trying to compare that information, I actually like it a lot better than the scale I have now. My scale currently seems really boring compared to this one because it only does my weight. And this thing does so many things, and I find like it's kind of fun to weigh myself, which is really weird. Most people don't like weighing themselves, so I really like it. Now, if you do want to learn more about the Eros scale, I'm gonna leave a link in the video description as well as a promo code if you want to buy this. So right now you'll be able to get 15% off all the way through the end of July. So make sure you go into the video description and check out that link and get your promo code. And I really do recommend this. This scale seems really fun to use. It's accurate, it's really sleek and pretty. My kids, I was surprised, they were actually really excited to use it. They're like, I wanna try, you know, when I was doing it. Because I think that there's a really negative look on scales. Like people usually hate their scales, they don't wanna weigh themselves, they don't look forward to it. But I think with this one, it's gonna allow you to really learn what you need to do differently so that you get the outcome that you want. So overall, I really like this scale. I'm glad that the company reached out and let me do a review on this, and I'm really looking forward to using it in the future. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you later.